Welcome to the all-new REXTAR Pro, smarter, faster, and more precise than ever. Let's open the exclusive case to see what's inside. Inside the case, you'll find everything you need to get started. Rectangular collimator helps shape the beam into a focused, narrow field, reducing radiation exposure while enhancing image accuracy. Mounting cap for the long cone. Backscatter shield, providing extra protection for the operator. The cone designed to direct the X-ray beam precisely to the patient's. Stand for the portable X-ray unit. Each item is designed for both convenience and performance. And now we'll guide you through how to use them all. The new REXTAR Pro, the next step in portable dental X-ray technology. Ultra-lightweight body, only 1.5 kilograms. Compared to the previous REXTAR X model, the REXTAR Pro is 400 grams lighter. REXTAR Pro features a full touchscreen. With its enhanced specifications, REXTAR Pro features a precise 0.2 millimeter focal spot, maintaining its position as the safest portable X-ray device in its class. To power on, press and hold the button for just 1 second. The LED lights up, and REXTAR Pro begins to boot. The logo appears on screen, confirming startup. 4.3-inch touchscreen shows a clean, user-friendly interface, with quick-access APR presets on the left. Simply tap the preset that matches your procedure. The selected area is highlighted for clarity. Menu overview and X-ray unit setup. First, open the menu and select APR memory. Here you can set the desired parameters for more comfortable operation. Then, save the configured settings. The new REXTAR Pro offers 4 language options: Korean, English, Spanish, and Russian. If you want to reset the saved APR modes, use APR Reset. In the information section, you can check the number of exposures and other details about your REXTAR Pro. The device is ready. Let's prepare the sensor. REXTAR Pro is compatible with all types of image receptors, digital sensors, dental films, and phosphor plates. Hold the REXTAR Pro with one hand. Position the device at the desired angle next to the patient. Hold the exposure button for more than 1 second until you hear the signal. The screen will display 3 statuses: ready, exposure, waiting, then return to ready. Let's take a look at the result. As soon as the exposure is complete, the image is instantly transferred to the monitor. Now zoomed in for precision, the captured dental X-ray emerges, filling the screen with extraordinary clarity. The image appears in high quality, clear, detailed, and easy to understand. You can clearly see the details of the teeth on the screen. The image is sharp and focused, helping you check everything easily. You took the shot. The image looks perfect. But that's not all. REXTAR Pro is just getting started. Let's check the battery level. Connect the device to the charger. Charging is quick and simple. From 0 to 100% in just 2 hours. One full charge allows you to take 300 to 400 X-ray shots, enough to power through the entire day with ease. Morning to night, REXTAR Pro stays ready whenever you are. You can take pictures all day on one charge. Think you've seen it all? REXTAR Pro comes with even more smart features. Screen lock and password. Go to Settings, change password, enter the default code 0000 and set a new password. Now let's set up the automatic sleep mode. Go to Settings, Sleep Mode, and select your preferred time. Operation while charging. REXTAR Pro can take X-ray shots even while charging, checking the DAP value for dose control. Do not allow the battery to fully discharge. Charge it at least once a month. Handle with care. REXTAR Pro is a precision medical device. Keep REXTAR Pro away from water and excessive moisture. The device is not waterproof, and exposure to dampness may cause damage over time. Do not attempt to modify or repair the device yourself. REXTAR Pro is a precision medical product. All maintenance and repairs must be performed by authorized service professionals only. Never operate the device without the cone attached. The cone is essential. It helps control the radiation beam and ensures image quality. Using the unit without it is strictly prohibited. Thank you for choosing REXTAR Pro. Your trust empowers our innovation. To learn more, scan the QR code or visit our website. Your journey with REXTAR Pro is just beginning.